Hi, I am Uday Agarwal from Bennett University. I have built a project of bus management system in C++. Currently, the situation of all around the world is like COVID-19 has been here, and in India, the many workers are moving from their job places to their hometown places. And in this current situation, the bus system will be very useful as the tickets for the bus are very cheaper. So let's go ahead and I will show you the demo of my product. So I will first run the code. After running the code, it will ask whether you want to install a bus, reserve a book in a bus, reserve a seat in a bus, or show the availability of seats in a bus and bus availability, like what buses are available at this current time. So first, I have run this code for the first time, so I will have to install a bus. So to install the bus, I have to enter number 1 here. After then, it will ask for which bus number you want to install. So for that, I will also enter 1. After that, it will ask for bus driver name. Include there. Arrival time 11 a.m. Departure time 11:30 a.m. It will go from Delhi to Jaipur. So now the bus has been installed, and the bus number 1 is all the details of bus number 1 has been saved in the code or in an array. You can see this bus in the bus availability. If you press number 4 here, so it will show that the bus number 1 is available. Driver name is Uday. Arrival time is 11 a.m. Departure time is 11:30 a.m. It will go from Delhi to Jaipur. So now I would like to reserve a seat in this bus. For that, you will press 2. After that, it will ask for which bus you have to book the seat. I will enter bus 1. Seat number, there are default 32 number of seats in every bus. So you can choose any number between 1 to 32 to reserve a seat. So I would like to go for seat number 6. Then it will prompt for passenger name. Let it be Rishabh. Now the seat number 6 has been booked for Rishabh in bus number 1. You can check that in when you press number 3 here. Then it will ask for bus you want to check for. Now after pressing 1, you can check that all the details of the bus, number of seats in the bus, and the which seat has been booked for which passenger. You can check it here. So also here it shows that there are 31 number of seats available in the bus number 1, and the seat number 6 has been booked for Rishabh. Let's book another seat in this. So let's book another seat in bus number 1. Let's enter 33. So there are only 30 number of seats in this bus. So it will ask us for to enter a. It will ask for to enter a seat number between 1 to 32. So let's enter 29 and Pranav. Now let's go and check the seats available in this bus, the bus number 1. So now here it says there. Now the 2 seats have been booked. 6 is for Rishabh and 29 for Pranav. So there has been 30 seats empty in this bus, and the seat number 6 is reserved for Rishabh and seat number 9 is reserved for Pranav. So now that's pretty much about my project, and thank you for having a look at my project. Thank you.